Welcome to the MT795 tutorial. Please take a moment to read the safety warnings. Please familiarize yourself with the device interface. Before starting any test, go to the Setup menu and configure the measurement settings. Your topology selection will determine the test lead configuration, which the meter will display on screen for reference. Ensure that you apply the leads accurately for each configuration. All test leads are labeled A, B, C, and N. Ensure that the arrow on the current probe connectors are pointing down when attaching them to the loads. Otherwise, the meter will display a negative value. Next, set the relevant frequency and voltage, as well as the other limits and ranges. Next, set the event trigger settings for dip, swell, transients, and inrush current to the desired ranges. In communication settings, connect to Wi-Fi to monitor and control recordings remotely with the PowerX app. In general settings, you can set the language, date, time, phase colors, display brightness, and more. The meter has internal storage, but also comes with a SD card with additional capacity. Once you connect the leads to your load, you can perform a line check to ensure you connected everything correctly. Here, you will also get a preview of your voltage, current, and phase angle. Now you are ready to start a recording. Press New Record and enter a title for the file. Then set your recording interval and test duration. Before you press Start, check the parameters and select or deselect them as desired. Once you press Start, the recording will commence and the timer in the top left corner will start. You can switch to Phaser View to see your waveforms for voltage and current. The recording will stop when it has reached the programmed test duration, or if you press Stop and confirm that you want to end the recording. You will be able to view your results immediately. You can go through individual results, or you can press Report. And the meter will start analyzing and compiling a detailed report with a breakdown of findings with relevant tables and graphs, which you can share with clients and colleagues for easy reporting. For easy monitoring when not recording, you can enter the scope to view different graphs, view values for volts, amps, and frequency. In the Power and Energy section, you can see a detailed breakdown of power quality and start an energy analysis recording, as well as view harmonics and unbalanced data. Set up inrush current testing and record the data. You can also record data for flicker and set limits for transients, dips, and swells from the main menu. Always perform a software and firmware update on the meter when there is one available. To connect the MT795 to the PowerX app, create an account, press Add, and scan the QR code from the info page in the Setup menu. Your meter should pick up immediately, and you will be able to rename it. Now you will be able to view live readings and examine stored recording data, which you can share directly from the app to clients and colleagues. To further analyze and create custom reports, you can download the MT795 PC software from our website or using the QR code on the device. Once installed, connect the meter to your PC via the provided USB cable. If you connect the cable while the meter is testing, you can see live data and initiate recordings like you would on the meter. To open a recording, click on Open File, navigate to the connected MT795 and open the file you would like to analyze. Alternatively, if you saved export data to your SD card, you can insert that into your PC and open the file from there. Once it loads, you will be able to see data for all recording types within that file, presented in CSV format. Click on the specific recording you would like to analyze, and from there all the data will load and you can select which tested parameters you would like to have visible. Once you are happy with your selections, you can take snapshots of individual sections or click Summary Report. Name the data, select the data time frame, as well as add information on your company, your client, and the test site. The report will save as a PDF to the location of your choice, and you can share the report with your clients or colleagues for review, providing them with exactly what they need to know about the site. You can also take snapshots of the interface to share the graphs and data of specific sections, which get saved on the software as JPEGs. But you can also export them from there as a PDF to send to your client or colleague. Lastly, we also offer a web-based remote viewing software for the MT795, which allows you to check recordings and live data remotely from your PC to ensure everything is operating as it should. Just scan the QR code on the device or download the access file from our website and log in with your major Tech PowerX credentials to gain access to your meter remotely. Thank you for watching.